the late aughts, I'll say, 2008, Netflix basically challenged the community to do better about recommending movies to people. And it turns out that was a pretty hard problem and still remains a hard problem. I saw it come in to an academic seminar where someone says, I think math solves this problem. And when I realized that there's like a fundamental connection to modern day data questions, it felt like the beginning of something new. We're at the precipice of a new STEM field, and that is unusual. What we do now really has a short line impact to society. Who should we be welcoming into this field? How important is it that we have a diverse community of learners? For us, the answers are very important and everyone. The promises and worries of this new field are centered around humans. When one doesn't incorporate into their education around data science the human aspect of what we're doing and the impacts on society, I think we fundamentally missed our opportunity to train a better student. The Applied Data Science program does a number of incredible things well. One, it has a vibrant community of faculty that are constantly thinking about the state of the art in data science. It helps, of course, that it's housed at the Data Science Institute, surrounded by even more faculty and researchers and students thinking about the exact same thing. There's no aspect of the work we're doing at the institution that we're not constantly challenging ourselves, so we need to shake everything. When we think we've solved a problem or understood something in data science, we're gonna need to continuously challenge what we think is an answer for a long time. Communicating with data, visualizing data, convincing stakeholders how to make better decisions with data. It's really one of my favorite parts of the field, and is critically important to understanding how we use data, just as important as machine learning. Whether we're ready or not, industry is rolling out at scale the use of large language models and advanced AI into everyday products. So we don't want to teach people only how to advance and develop state-of-the-art AI algorithms without the concerns and training and thinking around the impacts on society. There's a number of incredible opportunities that's going across many graduate programs. So if you're an applied data science graduate student here, you're going to interact with graduate students across the entirety of the campus, both in Hyde Park and downtown, working and mentoring potentially undergrads in data science, plugging into the many opportunities around research and internships and other programs that come with just being at the University of Chicago. What I can promise you out of this program is incredible intellectual growth, incredible economic opportunity to take what you learn here and make a big difference in the world.